Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 4th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And this one you are interested. The binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8842. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. There's a lot of double O's. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 2 minutes. We solve this binary puzzle. And we solve it again. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.